checking out STEM gift ideas for kids. If you're out of the loop, STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and math, all things that I am an expert on. And Kim Moldofsky, known as the Maker Mom, is back with her picks for these more scientific and brainiac toys for kids, which they love.
Yes, they do.
Yeah.
And you don't have to be a brainiac to enjoy these.
It's just a little more fun because it challenges a little bit. Okay,
exactly.
So what have you got?
So first up is a Clutz Maker Lab Kit called Circuit Games. It lets kids build 5 different games from scratch. So they learn about electronics, they learn about circuitry, and you have a lot of fun with this. It's only $24.99, and I've got a quick demo here of, you know that carnival game where you try, I'm obviously not very good at it.
Oh, is this
you
like
try not to
Operation?
touch the wire?
Yeah.
So you can make one of those. Yes, and there is a BuzzBot, which is like Operation. Again, 5 different games, so get this, and over break, you do 1 game a day and play with your kids.
Yourself.
And then you can use all the components to do other things once you've built these toys, once your kids know the basics.
Okay, we have a couple of kids with us that are going to demonstrate some toys, but you have one more to show before we introduce Maya and Vera?
Yes, this is the Archimedes Screw Kit from Marvelocity by Play Monster, and it demonstrates, it's a build kit, and it's simple enough to be fun, but challenging enough to feel like you accomplished something. And do you see how that works there? An Archimedes screw is used to bring liquids up from a low point to a high point. And they just roll along. I have one of these on my desk, and the adults who walk by can't stop playing with it. It's a lot of fun. And fun fact, chocolate fountains use Archimedes screws to bring
chocolate fountains?
Chocolate fountains.
Oh.
So, everyday life application of technology.
She's like, I'm like, duh. All right, girls, you got to smarten me up a little bit here. So Maya and Vera are going to demonstrate a couple more. This is the 3D Doodler, is that right? Okay, so have you played with this and you know what to do?
Yeah.
All right, so show people what you have to do here. You take that pen thing?
Yeah, and there's a template, and you just, you use the pen.
You turn it on, and you squeeze it, it looks like? And does something come out of there?
It heats up the filament so that you can turn designs and doodles into 3D objects, like we have some of Maya's work here.
Oh, you're kidding. These come from there.
Oh, that's for you, right? Didn't you show her what that is?
Is that how you made that?
I made a bracelet.
And you made it on that thing?
Yeah.
With the bigger one,
All right, so you squeeze stuff out, and it's like a little...
So this is the Hex Bug Kit, and you can see the Hex Bug. So you make different parts, legs, wings, it's got templates, and then it's a fun new way to play. I don't know if your kids have those Hex Bugs, those little bouncy bugs.
Mine are a little older now, but I'm sure they would have. Yeah, so does this thing just dry then? And then
it dries in seconds, and you just pop it out, and you can create some little bugs for yourself.
That is great. Thanks, Maya. All right, Vera, what have you got over there?
I have the Cosmo, who he's right under here.
What does he have? Let's show me, honey.
He was a little noisy, so we had to tuck him aside.
Yeah, and he's asleep right now, so...
So Cosmo's a little robot with a big personality. Is he too asleep to do a demo right now?
I can do a demo.
He is programmable, so kids can build their coding skills while having fun, but they can also do some pre-programmed tricks.
So you code it, and you tell the computer what moves you want it to do. Show me, can you do something here?
Right now it's just connecting, because it takes a little while to connect.
Okay, so it disconnects.
It can pick up blocks, it can do fist bumps.
While it's warming up, show me this last thing we've got.
This last thing is a super cool kit from Kano, who makes several different kits that make it super easy to code. You open the box, it's got the batteries and everything. Within minutes, your kids will create their first computer program. So this is the Harry Potter kit, and you program, so this is, see how the wand is making beans appear? So this was a program I created to make birdie bots appear on screen, and then depending on how I move the wand, it will impact what happens on the screen. So it's a really neat way to bring a computer program to life, and it makes it very fun, very easy, over 70 tutorials, and it's on sale from what I heard.
Well, that is great. Ladies, thanks so much for being here. It's nice to meet you both. You can get more information at themakermom.com and at stemkidschicago.com. Let's throw it over to Dan.